Hello kids, welcome to Vital Learning Care YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn about cooking words. Let's start. Boil, B-O-I-L. Pour, P-O-U-R. Slice, S-L-I-C-E. Bake, B-A-K-E. Grill, G-R-I-L-L. Fry, F-R-Y. Peel, P-E-E-L. Simmer, S-I-M-M-E-R. Mix, M-I-X. Thanks for watching the video. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.